Hey you guys, it's Lou here, and I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be changing the response pads, and I'm going to be lubing the bearing for the Magic Yo-Yo. I believe this is a 9 Pride of a Shark. So let's get straight to it. I'm going to do the silicone first, and I'm going to be using Monkey Snot, yellow one. I just switched out these the silicone pads on this one. So yeah, let's get to it. Can't get my crap together. Don't need that just yet. But first, you want to get the silicone pads out. Okay, get off. Just get them all out. Now I go through. If you have any excess, I use a Q-tip. Just push all of that. Get it all into the Q-tip as much as you can. You just want to get all the crap you can off. Now, you're going to want like a rag or something for the flowable silicone. And a Q-tip. I'll show you the reasoning for that in a second. Okay. Now what you want to do is just get into the silicone and push forward. Now, with the rag, you want to get it around your finger. Now just, you want to get off the excess. Take the Q-tip now, and you want to get it inside the bearing seat, which I got more than enough in the bearing seat. Trying to figure out this nice. There. Now I'm going to do the other one, then I'll be back with you guys in 1 second. Okay, now I'm back. This is me actually the first time I've ever used monkey snot. It's really shiny, but it's time to throw some lube in. This is the bearing. Oh, okay. Place that. Now, Yo-Yo Jam thinning lube. Set it right there. Yeah. Just put a couple of drops. Do that. There. Let's see how good it is now.